Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing a wig install, alright? So first I'm gonna show you what you need. First, you need a cap, of course. Then you need some oil, some leave-in conditioner, some alcohol, a toothbrush, some mousse for the curls, okay? Then you need some glue. You need some got-to-be, some scissors, your skin tone and makeup, your brush, okay? Your tweezers, a hair tie. Then get like a scarf or a little edge wrap. And most importantly, a comb. Actually, this is most important. You need a wig. The wig. Alright, look, y'all. So, boom. This will be rocking under the wig. Just some natural, mini single braids. I either do this or cornrows. Before I put on any wig, I always make sure to moisturize my hair. So, I use the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil on my hair. And I just rub that, through the parts, on the braids, through the scalp, whatever. And then I put in my Cantu leave-in conditioner and put that over the oil. Alright, just to let y'all know, like, I'm used to applying wigs, but I ain't say I apply them all that good. So if you see something that look a little wrong, just disregard it. Alright, but I just put the cap on and just sprayed the got-to-be, around the hairline. And you just blow dry it so that way it just helps stick to your forehead and it helps with the blending. Now here I'm just cutting the little holes in the cap so my ears can go through, because that helps, like the little sideburn part. So yo, I do not cut off my cap no specific kind of way. Like, I just cut it off, and then like I go back through and get the little pieces that's like rolling up on my forehead. Now, y'all, I started to get a little nervous because I'm like, this cap don't look like how the caps be on the girls when they be doing it. I'm like, something wrong. So I just started cutting more, and then I just grabbed the wig to see how it would look, because I'm like, I know something ain't right. But I had just cut some more of the cap off so I could see, like, the more I cut it off, the more it would blend with my skin. I was hoping that was going to fix it for real. So then I had just put the wig back on just to see if it was looking better, like through the lace. And it was looking better than the first time. I knew it wasn't there yet, but it was slightly better. But then I had just decided to take some foundation. It's the Maybelline Toffee Caramel, the 330. And I was like, okay, maybe if I put this on the cap of my forehead, it'll help blend. Of course, now I know y'all see it ain't all the same color, but I think that with the got-to-be helped a little bit. So yo, I had got the wig again because, I had to make sure the hairline was looking right before I glued it on, of course. And look, I think it was looking better. Now, even though it was looking better, I still decided to take some makeup and put it on the actual inside of the wig because I felt like, hey, okay, that could help even more. So y'all, the lace glue that I'm using is Ghost Bond. This is the only lace glue that I've ever used, but it works fine for me. And I just put a little bit on the edge of the cap and on my forehead, and I just try to rub it in with the tip of the bottom. So after that, I did blow dry because I was planning on doing another layer. And you just blow dry until it's not white, until it gets more clear. So yo, this was my second layer. I just do the same thing that I do the first time. Like, I use the same amount of glue and just spread it on the cap and on my forehead. And then, of course, you know, you gotta blow dry that layer. But I felt like I was blow drying that one forever.
Two hours later.
Now, y'all, I know good and well I should have blow dried that glue until it was clear. But look, it was like 1 or 2 a.m. and I had to wake up at 5. I was just trying to hurry up and get it done. So then when I apply it, I just pulled a whole hairline. I just used the end of a rat tail comb to kind of just like press the lace in, you know. Now, yo, I personally feel like when you comb it, like how I'm doing right now, like it helps push the lace in even more. And like I said, of course, you can see that glue is white. And I ain't gonna lie, I started to get a little scared. Yo, another thing I suck at is cutting the sideburn parts. Oh my gosh, I cannot cut those to save my life. I honestly just take a small piece and just chop it off. Now, I know y'all see that lace right there, and shoot, when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh. But I was like, I gotta fix it somehow. Now, one thing I saw in some girl video on YouTube was that she used a Got2b, like she sprayed it on after she glued it to help, like, I guess melt the lace or whatever. So I was like, okay, let me try that. So then, y'all, just grab a scarf. That's a little edge wrap that they sent with the hair. I'll list everything about the hair and what they sent as well in the description box. Now, see, y'all, it was looking a little better, but I knew it still wasn't there yet. So I just took a Q-tip with some alcohol to go around the hairline and get away any glue. Now, yo, onto the baby hairs. I love them, but also hate them. Like, they cover up the lace when I can't blend it, but I am not good at doing those swoops. Now, y'all can use any mousse that y'all want. Like, I don't even use mousse all the time. It's only if I feel like being extra, for real. Now, y'all, please do not laugh about how I do these edges, because I'm telling y'all, like, they are such a struggle. Now, yo, of course, I know this does not look the best, but at that moment in time, it was good to me. Like, I was tired. I was like, let me just get this done. Now, I took a Q-tip and just dipped it in the makeup and tried to go over, like, the lace where you could see it. Just try to make it look a little more like my skin. I think that little trick did help a little bit, honestly, not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so this was us all done, and that's how long it is on me. And I am 5'5". I believe that hair is 26 or 28. Like I said, I had everything in the description box. So I was trying to style the hair just to see how it would look like in a half up, half down. But the hair was so soft, like it was really hard to put in the ponytail. Alright, y'all, this hair, it feels super nice. It feel like, I just feel like some real nice curly hair. It did shed a little bit, that's curly hair, but it's still like super soft. Like when I say soft, it's like super soft, like super. Like when it gets wet, it doesn't really absorb the water. The water kind of sits on top of it, you know, like 4C hair. Like I didn't hot comb it because y'all, I'm really about to go to sleep, so it don't really matter. But ooh, that is a strong vein. Ooh, oh, that's a cut. When did I cut myself? Y'all can really hook this up. Love it. So far. This is all I gotta say. Perm.